Hello everyone and welcome back to the Gadget Grid, where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we'll be talking about the ANYC UBIC Cobra Max 3D printer, which is currently available on Amazon. This printer has some fantastic features that we can't wait to discuss. Overview: the ANYC UBIC Cobra Max 3D printer is a large format printer that has a build size of 17.7 by 15.7 by 15.7 inches, which is perfect for daily and household use. This printer has the self-developed Anycubic leveling function that uses 25-point smart and precise calibration to compensate for heated bed unevenness automatically. Features: the ANYC UBIC Cobra Max 3D printer is designed with a double-thread Z-axis moving construction, which minimizes shaking and does not lose steps, allowing for more model details to be restored. It also has a filament runout sensor that can monitor the supply of filament intelligently, stopping the printer automatically if it runs out of filament without losing any progress. The machine is built with stronger construction, and the positioning accuracy is top-notch, with X/Y accuracy of 0.0125 mm and Z accuracy of 0.002 mm. It supports a variety of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU, making it a versatile machine for all your printing needs. The printer comes with a responsive 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen that has a full-color display, making navigation a breeze. Conclusion: the ANYC UBIC Cobra Max 3D printer is an excellent choice for those looking for a high-quality, large-format 3D printer. It is equipped with a range of features that make it stand out from the competition, including self-developed Anycubic leveling function and filament runout detection. With lifetime technical support and 24-hour professional customer service, you can rest assured that you'll have a positive experience with this printer. So, head over to Amazon and get your ANYC UBIC Cobra Max 3D printer today. You can also check it, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next vid.